Okay guys, so I'm on Takhassusi Street and this leads up to this KAFD, King Abdullah Financial District, as you see over there. And if you go down, it leads to Panorama Mall and the south of Riyadh. And I'm actually gonna walk here like 1.1 kilometers. I came to this one cafe, A12, had a hot chocolate over here, and just walk along with me as I go down the street. And there are a lot of good places, on good eateries on this road. There's some burger joints, some coffee shops, some ice cream shops as well, and then there's also one very good outdoor space. It's called the Zone. And then if you continue going, you'll see the metro station on Takhassusi, and then the Dr. Suleiman Al Habib Hospital. And if you still go straight from here, you'll come across the Panorama Mall and all that one. So I'm gonna just now keep quiet, and then I'm just gonna walk down the street. Check out this beautiful Suzuki bike and that heavy trailer, dump truck actually. Muagif Lizwi Al-Ihtiyajat Al-Khasa. So it means this is the parking for special needs. And well, this place over here is the Zone. There's some EV charging station over there as well. I think you can pay over there, and then you charge your EV, and then you go to the Zone, enjoy your time over there. Quite interesting, I would say. There's also some good restaurants over here. Yakhna, this one restaurant has a very good kadak tea. Shai Kayaf, and then Bookies. This is also a very good restaurant. See, this is how it is. You see this EV charging station. There you pay, and there you tap your mobile or your card once you have to pay. Right now 3 vehicles are on charging. There's also a fire extinguisher over here. And also you see over there, check that out, there's the Kingdom Tower, and it has this Superman theme today. Quite interesting, guys. Valet parking, would you ever pay for one? So far I don't, but if you are short on time, then maybe it makes sense for you. This is the Zone on Takhassusi Street here in Riyadh. Some very beautiful flowers. The speed limit over here is 60. There's some construction going on up ahead. Check that out. Crosswalk, stop on red, stop guff. Right now I'm not gonna cross from here because it takes some time. I will cross further down the road, and let's continue. Look at this beautiful Defender, Range Rover Defender, Land Rover Defender in green color. Mamnuat Dakhul, no entry. This one is only exit. This is the parking. It's actually a parking like this. There's the parking on the back side and then also on the far side as well, and inside there's the zone. Assalamu alaikum. كيف الحال؟ Mama Mogaf Haflat. Haflat means bus. And here you see Shara Takhassusi Hayal Muhammadiya. Road works ahead. And then we also have Superman theme on Kingdom Tower. Whatever this villa is, they have some date trees, and the dates are bearing fruit, and then you also see the moon there. Also, if you are watching till here, let me know down in the comments where you are watching this video from, and if you like this style of the video, maybe you go to your office from this road, maybe you live around this area, or maybe you have been here before. Maybe this you have some memory related to this Takhassusi Street, Muhammadiya, or maybe things up and down the road. So let me know down in the comments if you can relate to this. And over here we also have this one perfume shop, Reef. I really like the Reef perfumes. It's over there. So I don't know if it's gonna stay here. Maybe 20 years later someone might be watching the video, the layout might be different, the landscapes might be different here, but anyways, for now there's one Reef over here. I did shopping from this particular Reef as well, and I think it's a good place to shop because it's sort of a concept store, and we'll come here sometime later. Maybe I have videos from before, but it's a good place. Right now it's quite late. Check this out, sort of 12:20, but we'll keep on going. There's a bus stop, and here you can also see the Kingdom Tower there in the backdrop. Let's just continue. That's a Ford vehicle that got damaged. Good wishes for whoever this belongs to. And see guys, these people keep Riyadh clean. Hats off to them, really. And the Riyadh Baladiya as well, actually, for hiring them and keeping up this whole system of cleanliness. There's some construction going on over here. See, there's a car that gave me wave so I could go first. That's the good thing here in Riyadh. On the other side we have this GA oil and Pete's coffee. And I'm gonna cross from a little bit further and then I'm gonna go there. Now we will let this car go first. See a construction site. Now you see there they have the barriers, so I'll not be able to cross if I continue down there. I will reach the Riyadh metro station, so I'll have to cross like this guy is crossing. So let's look for an opportunity. Roadworks start. Actually this is right now 12:30 a.m. and check out the traffic still in Riyadh. What an insane place. I love it. There's the Gardino Hotel. Now we will wait. Yes, inshallah we can cross. See? These construction guys, they also have these sorts of indicators, and I can go safely till there. Then I will have to see for some space between the cars to cross. Don't cross like this, but anyways this is a special case, because if you want to cross there's nothing like for 1 kilometer further. So let's see. So now we can cross. And then we have Nahdi store. There you see. If you have been in Saudi Arabia, Nahdi, you would have been to Nahdi. There's like 90% possibility you have been to Nahdi. Let's just continue. Continue in Arabic is istamar. Istamar. Another vehicle damaged. Drive safe, guys, if you are listening to this. I don't know why these street lamps are not operational, but they should be, so that this looks good. It's already good enough. We have the 207 Takhassusi stop. See, दादू कैसा दिन गुजरा? मैं इधर आगे खाना खाने गया था। आप कैसा है? वीडियो में तो नहीं आता आप। कैसा दिन गुजरा? ठीक है, खुश है? पीछे फैमिली खुश है? चलो ठीक है, खुश रहो भैया। So yeah, that was a random interaction. Not so random because this cleaner, I meet him often and he was quite helpful for me. This one time when a car went, actually a cat went into the bonnet of my car, like down there in the front. So I had to get it out. So this guy also helped me. So, well, we will just continue down the road and see how far we can go. Have you been here? I think I will end the video here, but this restaurant, Bao. There's also Pronto, House of Matcha. There are a few good matcha places in Riyadh, and House of Matcha there in the end has to be one of those. And also, if I end the video, it's gonna be just here. But here we have the Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital. If you watch the video till here, all our good wishes go out to the people that are being treated over there, and to the medical staff and everyone. And with that, we'll just end the video here. Thank you so much, guys. Is it a bye when we can see a plane up in the air? It's not that clear, but anyways, now it's a bye.